Topic: Pattern making essential techniques for fashion designers. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of pattern making for aspiring fashion designers like you. In this video, we'll delve into the fundamental techniques every designer should know to create stunning garments. So grab your pencils and paper because it's time to unleash your creativity. Hello, fashion enthusiasts. I'm Alexa, and today I'll guide you through the fascinating world of pattern making. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this video will provide valuable insights to enhance your skills. So, let's jump right in. You standing next to a clothing mannequin. Before we begin drafting patterns, let's discuss the importance of accurate measurements. A well-fitting garment starts with precise body measurements. I'll demonstrate how to take measurements correctly, ensuring your patterns result in perfectly tailored outfits. Demonstrates taking measurements on a model. Now that we have our measurements, it's time to bring them to life on paper. We'll start with the basic bodice pattern. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, from drawing the key points to connecting them to create a well-proportioned bodice. Demonstrates drawing and connecting points on a pattern paper. Once you've mastered the bodice pattern, it's time to move on to skirts and trousers. Understanding the principles of pattern making for these garments is crucial for achieving the perfect fit and drape. I'll guide you through various styles and show you how to modify patterns to create different silhouettes. Demonstrates the pattern making process for skirts and trousers. Now that we have the foundation patterns, let's explore the exciting world of design variations. With a few modifications, you can transform a basic pattern into a multitude of trendy designs. I'll share some creative techniques, such as adding pleats, ruffles, and gathers, to elevate your designs. Demonstrates pattern modifications and showcases different design variations. Another important aspect of pattern making is understanding fabric properties. Different fabrics behave differently, and considering their characteristics can significantly impact the final fit and look of your garment. I'll provide tips on selecting the right fabrics and share insights into how they can influence your pattern drafting decisions. Discusses fabric properties and showcases different fabric samples. Accurate markings are essential for efficient cutting and sewing. I'll demonstrate various marking techniques, including notches, grain lines, and seam allowances, ensuring your patterns are ready for production. Demonstrates pattern marking techniques. And that's a wrap on our crash course in pattern making for fashion designers. By mastering these essential techniques, you'll have the tools to create beautifully tailored garments that fit like a dream. So, go forth, unleash your creativity, and let your designs take the fashion world by storm. Poses confidently with a mannequin showcasing a finished garment. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and tips on pattern making. Until next time, happy designing. Subscribe button, if any previous video suggestion. Note: this script is designed as a guide for creating a video on pattern making for a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Swastik Fashion School tutorial.